So now I'm going to show you how you can use the HubSpot AI Assistant for quick replies from your inbox. This can be very useful if you have a customer care team, or if you have like a lot of common questions, or you're just out of time and you just gotta transform a yes to a more decent reply. Okay, so I'm gonna check some message over here. Okay, let's reply this one. And to make sure you're gonna have this available, you need to highlight the text, and you can also change the tone over here, or you can also expand, make it like a more complex reply. Not sure this is necessary though. Then you go back and in short. Here we have, and then you can change the tone to a more friendly conversation here. I think this is cool. Just a quick remember, this is still on a beta version, but of course, as an AI, you need to read what you're going to send and make sure that you're saying what you want to say. So this helps you improve your text, so you can also transform a really small content and a more complex one. So this can be very useful and can save a lot of time for your team.